Hello friends, this is Manak from Civil Center. We are making today's video with the hope that wherever you are safe and sound with your family and in good health. So friends, in today's video, we'll just make this floor plan in Revit. So without wasting any time, we'll get started in the Revit software. So we'll follow some simple steps to make the plan and very simple commands. First of all, just this is the Revit interface, just click on new, and if you want to work in feet and inches, select the Imperial Architectural template, then click on OK. So once the interface has been opened, we'll jump straight onto the levels so that we can create our levels here. So just go to any elevation. Let me go to the east elevation, and here just define the levels here. So this is let this be the foundation level, and we'll define this as our plinth level. We'll take the plinth level as 2 feet, and if the text is not visible properly, we'll just increase the scale. This is currently 1/8. Just do this 1/4, and then go to level here and take this option of pick lines. Take an offset of 10 feet for the floor to floor height, and when you just move your mouse over here, you can see a dotted line above. So we have created two floors like this, and this is the foundation level. This is our plinth level, ground floor roof level, first floor roof level. Click on escape 2 times to get out of the command. After that, you can go to level 2, and we'll start working in here. That is, we'll start making the floor plan. Just close the elevations, and you can open the default 3D view. So for opening the default 3D view, you can go to view, and you can just open this 3D view, default 3D view. After this has been opened, you can move it here, and after that you go to view and then tile views. It's like this. You can just tile these views. You want this to be moved here, you just move it here and then click on tile views, and then it will swap. So these are the directions. This is north, east, south and west, as you can see here, but we'll simply make the plan in between that, and after that we can rotate as per the directions. So we'll just go to this manage option, additional settings. So brief settings which you need to do before starting. Go to annotations, temporary dimensions, make this as faces, make this as openings, and click on OK. And go to architecture, select the walls, and here what we can do is we can create some walls here. You can note that there is no 10-inch wall, so you have 5-inch wall here, but our plan which you are having, the external wall is 10 inches and internal wall is 5 inches. So we want a 10 inches wall, so we can just go to edit type, duplicate this, and name this as generate 10 inches. This is only renamed, but the property has not been changed. Property is still 8 inches. We need to change that. Just double click on that, 10, and then OK. Make sure to press OK this time also, and you are good to go. Then base constraint is level 2, basically the plinth level, and the top constraint, just to do this as level 3. After doing this, the next thing which you need to do is the location line. Make this as finish face interior. So once you do that, you should be able to make the wall. Simply take the rectangle here and draw a rectangle. So as you can see, simultaneously you will have the walls created up to one floor in the 3D as well. So that's how easy the software is. Just click escape 2 times, single click, and then click escape, and then select this. So you want to change this dimension as per the drawing. Just click on here and click on here also. Now we'll change this dimension. So this particular dimension is 29 feet 4 inches, and this one is 32 feet 8 inches. So just double click, Ctrl+A, 29 feet 4 inches, and this one click, click. This particular dimension is the 32 feet 8 inches. Double click, Ctrl plus A, 32 feet 8 inches. So this is done. This is where our plan will be, and simply just take this WA, which is a shortcut for the wall. Select the 5-inch walls now. Go create the 5-inch walls, and we'll start from the top. Puja room is 4 feet 3 inches. We'll just draw the vertical lines first and then the horizontal lines. 4 feet 3 inches for the puja room. So we'll have this offset command here, and we'll take, okay, before taking the offset command, WA, and check the levels here, and the location line, make this as finished face interior. Now we can have this 4 feet 3 inches from here, this side. Next is 12 feet 10 inches. 12 feet 10 inches from this face. And next is next it will automatically do. Let's see what we have next. For the vertical walls, we'll have a 10-inch wall next, and these will be 10 feet from here. So just select the WA and then 10-inch walls, and it will be 10 feet from here. And after that, it will be another 10-inch wall. It will be your 12 feet 8 inches from here. So just do this 12 feet 8 inches. So if you are not in the command, just double click on escape and then WA, and then take an offset here. But you can note that this is coming in line with this, so you first need to just reduce this, and then you can use this command. That will be better. So let's go for the horizontal ones first. For the puja room, it's 4 feet, it's 8 feet actually for the puja room. So let's do this, and just taking the 10-inch walls, if we have any, let's do first, and then we'll do so you don't need to do any offset for the 10-inch wall here. All the horizontal walls are 5 inches, so we don't need to do that. So select the 5-inch walls. Okay, take an offset of 8 feet for this puja room. So sometimes when this is not working, just click on escape and do it again. Puja room has been taken. Now this is 10 feet for the bedroom. You can create it after you just edit this. Just click on escape 2 times. Select this, escape 2 times, and then select this, and let's reduce this up to this much for the puja room. We're done here, and then let's try WA offset 10 feet. Now we're good here. So as you can see, let's also make the other things. The other offset will be your 4 feet from here. So it will be 4 feet. And after that, what we have, After that we need to make some adjustments. Let's do that at those adjustments first, and click on escape 2 times, and this will be having this particular room, and this one also. So we're having this room, and you can make the particular partitions later. So for the toilets, it's 7 feet from here. So just WA 5-inch wall, and then just make an offset of 7 feet. And this is for the toilet. Escape 2 times. Select this, and then just take it up to the portion where we have the toilet. Doors we'll just give later, so don't need to worry about the doors here. Here we are having this up to the staircase portion. Now let's see what else can be done. The puja room wall, this one. Now this is also done. So let's see what else is remaining. You can give an offset here for this. As you can see, 3 feet 3. This is basically 3 feet 3 inches, and this is also 3 feet 3 inches. So this is 6 feet 6 inches plus the gap in between. So what we'll do, we'll start from this side. So this is 12 feet 8 inches from here, and then the 10-inch wall. So just do WA and take the 10-inch wall. Start from here, and I'm not clicking on anything, just taking 12 feet 8 inches, enter. So it is starting from here. So let me just take again like this, and then 12 feet 8 inches, and after that I'll just join this. So like this I can join, and after that if you just see this is the opening here, and for this opening I'm going to create this opening here. So we can just split this line, go to click on double escape, single click and click on double escape to get out of the command, go to modify, and then just go and check here. We have a split command here, split element, and just as you can see, line it along here, and then another click will be along here, and then just escape, click on escape, and then select this, delete this. So after that you can just move it up to this face. It's joined. Now we can work with here. So this is the staircase portion, it is already done here. You can see. Now we can check whether any portion is remaining. So almost we have covered all portions. As you can see, this is the floor plan also. Now check the dimensions here, so that it is always important to check the dimensions. You can have this measure between two references and checking the dimension, align dimension, and when you are just selecting the dimension, make this as wall faces 4 feet 3 inches, eight feet. All the lines will be checking. This step is very important. because whatever we'll do, you need to cross check whether what you have done is correct or not. And if there is any mistake, then we can correct it. So this is it. Let's check. And this one also, just external dimension also. These are the dimensions. Let's check whether we are okay or not. 12 feet 8 inches into 12 feet 10 inches. This is the case. And then it should be 6 feet 6 inches plus 2 inches, 6 feet 8 inches. And it is also good. And then it is 12 feet, this 10 feet into 12 feet 10 inches. This is also okay. This is 12 feet 10 into 14 feet 5. Puja room is also okay. Bed is 13 feet 1 into 10. It is also okay. So we are okay with the dimensions here. So since we are okay with the dimensions, now we'll just change the directions here. And to change the directions, as you can see, this is a west facing plan, and we'll just make this as west facing. The top is east, and we'll make the top portion in the east, and the remaining will adjust. So this is the north here. This is north and this is the east. So you just need to rotate it like this. Just click on escape, select this, and then you'll have the option of rotating here. This is the option of copy. This is the option of rotate. Select the axis first. I've selected this axis, and then select an angle. So you can just enter the angle or just move it over here. I'm going to rotate it at an angle of 90 degree. So it is rotated, but there is some error. Just click on Ctrl plus Z. I'm going to just select this again, rotate this, and then define this particular portion, and then rotate it by an angle of 90. This time it's good. Now this has been rotated as per the views. So I will see the east elevation also from here if you want. East elevation, north elevation, south elevation, and west elevation. Obviously all this will look same because this is opaque. You can just make it transparent to see that. But now these are the elevations. If you cut a section also, then also you can see the section from it also. So and if you want, I can also just view it from a realistic point of view. Just select this and just do this as realistic, and it will take some time depending upon your system, and then you can see the particular arrangement. For rotating it, just you can just press Ctrl and use the mouse middle wheel button to just zoom in and zoom out. That can be done. Shift plus the mouse wheel button to rotate this model. You can see. So now while you are working, just make it back to the wireframe because it will, or we can also make it back to shaded. Where we have the option of wireframe and then hidden line. This is better because it will take less memory and you can work comfortably. So now let's make some doors and windows here, and for the doors and windows we'll simply do the architecture doors, and we're going to make some doors here. So let's see the door window schedule here. So basically we have a 3 feet door and a 2 feet 6 inch door. Two types of doors we are having here. So let's see, the 3 feet door is basically the 3 feet means 36 inches, and the height of the door, if you can see, and the height of the door is 7 feet. So if you just do 7 into 12 in inches, it is 84 feet. So the height of the door is 84 feet. So this is the 3 feet door. We are already having this, So this is single flush door which we are having, and if you want you can change that also, but I don't want to change this. Seal height is 0 and head height is 7, so I'm okay with this, and let me just place the doors. So here in the east side, this side I'll having a door here near the kitchen. So what I can do is I can just rotate the model back, and then after that, after we make the changes in the door window schedule, then we can rotate this back. So just do this Ctrl plus Z, and I'll just go back to the position so that you can place the doors comfortably. Okay, so select the doors again and start placing the door. Placed door here, as you can see, this is the dimensions. To both the dimensions are visible. We can change this later. We want to place in the middle, you can just select this and change the dimensions later also. If you see, it is along the side, so we'll just make it along the side. Just select this, and later also you can select this 0. It's along the corner. One door has been created. Now the next door is for the puja room. It's a smaller one. Let's keep the bigger door first. The bedroom door, and these 2 bedroom doors we'll having at the corners in front of each other, and select the door, or you can also press DR, and then just you can simply select the door here and select the door here as well, and then click on escape, select this. You can just change the orientation of this like this, select this, change the orientation, and if you want you can also change this to this, and as you can see, this door is opening on this side and this door can be opened on this side. So I'll just make this and this. So now it is good for the doors. You can see in the 3D view also the doors have been created, starting to get been created, and then the remaining door will have a door for this bedroom. Let's see the location. It's along this side, the door for the bedroom, and this is also the main entry door. So we're having 2 doors here, a DR. Press DR, click, and then just make this 0, and then click, double click, make this 0. Now you can escape, click on escape, just make it like this, and this is the arrangement of the doors. So now the doors are arranged. Then you can go for the internal doors. So the internal doors are of 2 feet 6 inches. So 2 feet 6 inches you convert to your fully into inches. 2 into 12 plus 6, it is comes 30. So just press DR and look for a door of 30 into 84. We're having one here, and we'll just use this for the puja room. And before that, see the location of the door. It's along this side. Just make this, select this, and click on escape, select this, make the 0. So it goes around here. So you don't want that. Just press click Ctrl plus Z. Okay. So we're good here with the location. If you want, you can still change this. Let's do 1 more inches, 3 inches, and then like this you can change. So this is the door for the puja room. This is given, and after that, let's see the toilet door. There is only one toilet here, so we'll just place the toilet door here along this side, DR, and let's place it along this side. So we're done here. You can see the doors being placed, and let's go for the windows now. You can also see the doors simultaneously being placed in the 3D floor plan. Let's go for the windows, and for the windows what we are having is we are having a 5-foot window and a 3-foot window. So go to architecture, shortcut of window is WN. 5-foot window is 5 into 12 to do it, it's 60, and 4 feet 6 inches if you do it, it's 4 into 12 plus 6, it's 54. So it's 60 into 54. Let's see whether we have a window like this, 60 into 54. So we're not having any window of this type. So let's just select this and go to edit type, and then duplicate, and then I'm going to do this as 5 feet into, this is already actually this dimensions is already 5 feet into 4 feet, so I'm going to do this as 5 feet into 4 feet 6 inches. Then click on OK, and then this width I'm going to do this as 5 feet, height I'm going to do this as 4 feet 6 inches, and then click on OK. 5 feet into 4 foot 6 inches. Then let me just create another window and duplicate this one. I'll name it as 3 feet into 4 feet 6 inches. Click on OK. I'll just make this as 3 feet. Click on. Now just check this 5 feet into 4 feet 6 inches, and then make the window here. One window is here and another window is here. Place this window like this. Another window. Next one is like this. Have one along the drawing room. Next, this is W1, the smaller one. So W we are having in the bedroom again, along this. And let's see whether we have any other W, all the smaller ones. So let's go for the smaller ones now, starting from here. Smaller ones, let's take the 3 feet window. Let's give a window here along this side. And let's give another window here in the puja room and the kitchen, W1s. Now after this is done, and the one in the bedroom also. And then another in this bedroom, placing it at the center, but you can just place it anywhere. And after doing that, what we can do is simply select on this, and as you can see, click on escape, and you can just change this type, or you can even select this and move it also. Select on this, activate dimensions, and then you can change this to whatever you want. Suppose you want to do this as just change this as 5 feet. You can just move this, get moved. So like this you can do it, this in your hand. So no worries about this. And next we want to create some ventilators. So ventilator size, you can just check here. The size of the ventilator says it will start in the 3 feet into 3 feet. It starts from 6 feet and it ends in 9 feet. So that's the size here, 6 feet into 9 feet. Or you can just do this, just select this window, and 3 feet into 3 feet ventilators. 3 feet is basically 36 into 36 ventilators we want. So just select any of this fixed type and go to edit type. We'll duplicate this, and 3 feet into 3 feet into 3 feet. Just will use this V for the ventilators. Okay, now the height will be your 3 feet, width is 3 feet, and the sea level, and we need to change that. So just click on OK, and you can simply change the sill height from here, and just change the sill height to your 6 feet. Apply, and then just apply the ventilators. So one we'll have along here. As you can see, one ventilator we're having along here, and the next one we're having on the toilet. So 2 ventilators we're having. Please note that the ventilators will not be visible in your plan, because plan is basically at the window sill level. So that's why it's not visible. But you see, it is visible in the 3D view. So ventilators have been given. Now you can just click on escape, and then you can check the 3D floor plan. Just you can just make this as shaded, and then you can check this. Press shift button, mouse middle wheel button, and you can check the floor plan which you have made. There are many other options also. You can add the floors, you can add the floor above it, you can add the roof. So those things we'll do in the upcoming videos. And after that, you can also check the elevations also now. Just select this and select the northeast elevation. You can see the elevations also are visible, north, south. So these are the elevations which are visible. So like this, you can create a 3D floor plan in Revit. We'll come up with more videos in which we'll come up with more techniques to create these floor plans and complete building model using the Revit. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Stay connected.